Ibarmia is a high-tech company that manufactures high-value machine tools, especially high-precision machining centers and multitasking machines. Ibarmia is a family company, founded in 1949 in the Basque Country, heart of the Spanish machine tool sector. In the beginning, it was a small mechanic business that produced pieces for other machine tool manufacturers. The evolution of this activity took Ibarmia to make, in 1986, high-precision machining centers, achieving today a competitive position in the global market, with an export level of 90% of the machines.
Ibarmia's strategy is to manufacture very high sophisticated machine tools for our customers. As an SME, we produce customized solutions because we cannot compete in terms of volume and cost with the biggest manufacturers in the world. Why servitization? For a SME like Ibarmia, service is a key factor for the success of the company. Our customers, they buy very high sophisticated machines, but they want reliable machines with high rates of availability. Every year the number of machines in the market is bigger and bigger, and these machines are spread all around the world, making service even much more difficult. Apart from supporting our customers with the after-sales service, Ibarmia is working hard to offer added value services for our customers. Satisfied customers will buy machines and services from us, and this will make the revenues of the service even much more important. Because of that, the service department of Ibarmia is working on new business models in order to stay close to the customers and to make the revenues from services much more important.
Every manufacturing companies knows that service innovation is a key factor nowadays, but it's difficult to carry it out. Almost for SME companies that we have less resources than multinational companies, and it's difficult for us to make the transition of business models or innovation of the services alone. For that, MSEE provides tools and methodology to deal with all the stuff related to service life cycle management, from the design of the ecosystem to the development and delivery of the services. It provides methodology and tools to define a service ecosystem detailing all the stakeholders, single companies and individual, but also tangible and intangible assets. It provides methodology to analyze the maturity level of the partners of the ecosystem that increase our collaboration capacity, because we can find the exact partners for each matter. It provides also the methodology to create business-driven virtual manufacturing enterprises among the partners of the ecosystem. And finally, it provides IT tools like Internet of Things Manager and product maintenance application to facilitate the service delivery, and the service modeling tool, which gives us the possibility to model the actual services or the services of the future. So finally, MSE will enable these virtual enterprises to self-organize in distributed, autonomous, interoperate, non-hierarchical innovation ecosystems of tangible and intangible manufacturing assets.
Ibarmia machines are very specific and they include high technology. Sometimes they require very complex maintenance operation which must be performed by our technicians or technicians trained and certified by Ibarmia. Besides, each year the amount of Ibarmia machines in the market is increasing and they are spread all over the world. Therefore, for us, service innovation, especially in the maintenance area, is a key factor to offer fast and reliable services. Taking this fact into account, we have created the so-called intelligent maintenance services along the MSEE project. These services basically are based on remotely monitored machines and MSEE IT tools, and they help us to improve the problem diagnosis and to predict some unexpected breakdowns. The main goal of these services is to get a higher availability and reliability of machines, because in consequence customers will be more satisfied with Ibarmia, leading to an increase in machine sales.
During this project, we have also defined Ibarmia's machine tool maintenance ecosystem. In this ecosystem, we find the following partners: Ibarmia as the manufacturer, machine tool distributors, component suppliers, customers, competitors or other machine tool manufacturers, software and hardware providers, research centers, universities and legal entities. Furthermore, and using the MSEE methodology, we've detailed the tangible and intangible assets offered by each partner in order to create the best collaboration for service innovation. However, the real star of this ecosystem is the customer, and the main goal of the ecosystem is to have a satisfied customer. A data gathering device will be connected to the machine tool. This device reads parameters and variables of the machine and triggers alarms with predefined rules. The data gathering device is also connected to the MSEE asset called Internet of Things Manager. This manager will receive the alarm and will send an email to the machine user. If required by the user, a notification will be sent to Ibarmia so the technicians can make a diagnosis of the problem using the data gathered by the device. Once we have the diagnosis, we'll use the team building application to create the required maintenance team, which will be offered to the customer through the product maintenance application. After receiving the customer's approval, the maintenance operation will be performed. The customer will provide feedback using the product maintenance application. Ibarmia will use this feedback to improve the machines and services provided.